Hey tall travelers, here's just a simple unboxing video of some of the accessories that came with my Insta360 Go 3. So I had ordered the Insta360 Go 3 and thanks to a promotion through the Insta360 Go website, there was a carry case and a stand that came with it. The first thing I'm opening up here is the stand that also doubles as a selfie stick, but it's more of a stand really. The packaging here was really great. In fact, I kept the foam casing over it as well for traveling when I took it abroad with me. The feel of the metal is amazing here as well. The comfort and the grip feels really high quality. It's a bit weighty, but not too bad. Difficult enough to open up the stand, but when you do, it clips and makes it much easier to hold and balance if you're doing some vlogging, front-facing camera work, etc. Moving on now to the carry case that came with it. Was really impressed with this carry case actually. I didn't know what to expect when I had ticked the box to include it with the promotion. Trusty penknife to open. This case material is really good as well. I was very impressed. The manufacturing of this I think is part and parcel of Insta360. I don't know if they're manufacturing it in the same place that they're manufacturing all of their the accessories and equipment. But I was very impressed with the material here. It's a strong hard case. You notice the durability as soon as you put it into your hand, and I wouldn't be surprised if it's able to take quite a bit of weight. The zip structure is really good as well. So that section in the middle there, it's detachable. You can actually take it out, but it stays in pretty tight anyway, and especially with the case closed, it stays firmly in place and doesn't rattle as you're moving around. There's a foldable section there at the top. I'm going to leave the I don't know if that's a freshness thing or what it is, but I'm going to leave that in there, probably to collect moisture. So that's an example there of removing that tray section. But overall, a really great additional part and accessory to have with the travel capabilities for the Insta360 Go 3. I brought that with me abroad and was delighted that it came with it. It can't fit the selfie stick, but still a fantastic piece of kit. Hope you enjoyed watching.